Hi, welcome. So in this video, we are going to talk about a very important topic called how to identify the duplicate records. Not only with that, right? So how many times the particular row value has been repeated. So most of the times we wanted to identify the particular row value, how many times it has repeated. So for our data analysis, right? So look at this. So there are so many various ways to achieve this, but the one which I am going to tell you is the most easiest way. Guys, my request, if you're first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification. So let's get started. So I have a column B here. So column B, I have 44 rows. So within that, so each state is repeated more than once. So what I'm going to do here, so first I'm going to identify how many states are repeated, right? So I'm going to take the distinct count, how many states that I have, so in my column B. So after that I'm going to count how many times that particular state value has been repeated. So the overall I'm going to do these two things, right? So let us see like how to identify the distinct rows here. So for that I'm going to use function called unique and select the B2 to B44, then come all the way up and close the bracket, press enter. So here you can see I have three different states, right? So with that we have identified what are all the unique states that we have in our data set. And here exactly what we are going to do, right? Count means like how many times the each row has been repeated. For example, how many times the Delhi has repeated in my data set, how many times the Gujarat has repeated in my data set, how many times the Maharashtra has repeated in my state, right? So for that I can do equal to count if, select the first column data, and then comma. You can notice that in countif function, right, we are going to pass two parameters. The first is range selection, that we have already selected from B2 to B44, and then criteria. So what is a criteria? So what is a selection criteria that you are going to compare? This is the C2, right? Close the bracket and press enter. You see, so Delhi 13 times the Delhi has repeated. So what we are going to do here, we select here and drag and drop. You notice that. So how many times the Gujarat has repeated? 24 times. How many times the Maharashtra has repeated? 6 times. So let us quickly verify this, guys. Like in Maharashtra we have only 6 rows, right? 6 times the Maharashtra has been repeated, right? So we'll quickly verify whether it is giving right count or not. We'll just select the row 1 and then go to the data, filter on the Maharashtra. It should give the value of 6, right? The count of Maharashtra should be 6. Select this one. See, you notice that at the bottom there is count is 6, right? So this is how you can quickly identify the number of duplicate rows in your data, and also you can identify how many times the particular row has been repeated, right? Yeah. So I hope this video is useful to you guys. If you feel like there is a content in this video, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon. Whenever I publish a new video, you will get the notification.